Yep.
Have you tried the printer?
Yeah, it works again.
Okay.
Welcome back to the shadow side. Tonight we're gonna draw Gutso. One of the main characters from the shadow side. Here's the ears. There we go.
Kyle!
Yeah, what's up?
Give me a hug.
Happy New Year to you as well. Go.
Yeah, at least one.
I saw this in the Yokai Watch Shadowside movie. I don't know where this event takes place, but I feel like this guy might have I don't know where this storyline takes place, but I think it's in Odaiba, Japan, home to the Digimon. And one of the best places where a Digimon can be found. There we go. That is how you draw a Gutso from the Yokai Watch movie. Well, the Yokai Watch Shadowside movie. Where they face up. Well, we get to see Lord Enma and Zazzle once again, as they help to save their home from destruction. That's quite nice of them. Anyhow, that's how you draw Gutso. Second source, see you later, guys. Good night.